Okay, we're going to change the camshaft sensor. I've been getting a code P3040 for a good while, and we're going to change the sensor. It's right behind this cover between the camshaft gears. First thing we're going to do is take off this cover here, valve cover. It's held on by 4 Allen screws. Here is the camshaft sensor. I got this on eBay for $17, shipping and all. At the parts store, it can be as much as like 50 something dollars. So we'll see how it turns out. I'm going to take the negative lead off the battery there for safety, and of course we've got to take the oil cap off. We've got 2 hoses on the back of the cover that's got to come off, this one and this one. Lifting the cover off. There we go. And it looks like that. Put this down over here. Now next, we're going to take this breather off. This looks like it's 1, 2, 3, maybe 3 bolts back here to hold it on. Then we got to take this pipe off here that goes to the intake from the breather. Set it aside. Okay, just takes a screwdriver to take this off and move it out of the way. I've got this undone. 3 10mm screws hold that on. Let's use an extension here to get this out. Now I'm going to just set this stuff out of the way. Next we got 3 10mm screws here, here, and down here between this belt to get this cover off. I've started removing the cover. I had to have a magnetic extension here to get one of those screws out of the cover, one down there between the fan belt, and I'm having to take this little nut off here off of the air conditioner hose so I can get a little more room to get this off. Okay, I got the cover off. This air conditioner pipe, it's kind of a tight squeeze to get that off, but I've got this cover off. You can see the holes there where the 3 10mm bolts went through it. And if you look up between these valve cover cams, you can kind of see the sensor right there. Okay, these 2 little bolts hold it on. Up here is the wire that goes to the sensor, and there's a little clip there that holds it. Holds it on a little metal clip. Need to take that wire off of it. Here's the connection that goes on that sensor, and see if I can, there's the sensor right down in there. That little metal clip, you push it in and it just lifts right off. I stuck an old sock down in there between those 2 cam gears, so when you take the two bolts off there. You sure don't want to drop them down inside the motor to get them out. You would have to take the wheel off over on the passenger side and the cover off. It would be a major deal. So make sure you stick something in there so you don't drop those two screws down in the motor. Okay, I got the 10 millimeter bolts out. I had to use this little 1/4 inch driver with an extension because it's a tight fit in there. Now I'm going to try to lift the sensor out. I've got the new sensor in there and got the bolts started. Just got to tighten them up. Well, I got them tightened up.